Hello everyone, this here is a 36-inch brown and brass. Not really sure what this would have been labeled as, but it is a SHI CHEN. I want to pause and look at the label there. This is manufactured in September of 1980. Obviously it's, same manufacturer who did the Moss Caribbean Breezes. I was talking to a friend about this. We were kind of debating what this would have been labeled as. I threw up silicon. I figured, I've seen some silicons like this, but he told me most silicons had metal canopies, and that one is definitely plastic, which is more akin to what the Mosses had. So, yeah, I'm not really sure what this would have been, if it would have been like an Ocean Breeze or, again, a silicon or something. But to my knowledge, Moss has never had light kit adaptability. If someone wants to correct me in the comments, feel free to do so. I don't have this on a control, so it's just going to be 0 to high here. But here we go. And it takes its time to get up to speed, but I mean, it gets going and it moves a good amount of air, as these do. Not as much as the metal bladed variant, but it's still pretty good. Here's it with the light off. Bearings are good, which is not always the case for these. At least the Moss ones, they kind of typically had bad bearings, or I guess time didn't treat them too nicely. And this is how I found it. It had a globe kit. I think it was this exact globe kit. I don't remember if it had a globe with it or not, but it was at Habitat for Humanity, the one in Pensacola. I did install this in my room at one point, and I had a different light on it, but the capacitor that was in it went bad. So I replaced the capacitor, ran it for a bit, decided the fan made really too much noise for my room, and now it's just kind of sat out here. In fact, it's been like probably 9 months it's been hanging here on my test rig. I know I haven't done a fan video in a while, but I still have fans. Looks rather odd with that big old globe on such a small fan. Kind of an interesting combination. I would probably like this fan a lot more if I could find one of those nuts that's just a cap and cap it off. What is interesting though is that this fan buzzes quite a bit on a variable speed control, but the Moss Caribbean Breeze, the actual branded one with metal blades, in my room on a variable speed control doesn't make much noise, so that's rather interesting. I got something else I'm going to want to test tonight, so I'm going to take this down and put it up, and we'll do a video on that next. So, till the next one, thanks for watching.